Hey, this is Dave with Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to talk about our low-profile sequential LED saddlebag lights. These are available in a smoke and a red with all red LEDs, come in a nice clamshell package. Some of the features of these, there's 28 dual intensity LEDs per unit. They're plug and play. Again, red or smoke lens. They also have a lifetime warranty. These mount again with 3M double-sided tape. They have an IP67 rated quick disconnect on here. So we're going to open one up here and show you a little bit about what's inside. So what you get when you do this is the install kit, which is your tie wraps, your tie downs, and your promoter. Your harness, which is specific for your model of bike. This harness plugs in under the seat, typically under the seat, into the rear harness going to the back of the bike. And then you have two additional connectors, a right and a left, that our lights will plug into. So here's a light in the 3M tape, and you'll see two connectors on here, one at the end, and this is the one that's going to plug into our harness, and then one about halfway. This is the IP67 rated quick disconnect, so that when you mount the lights to the bags and you want to remove the bag, you don't have to get under your seat. You have your quick disconnect easily available. So these are a wraparound design, which is a little bit different than other units on the market. So when it wraps all the way around the bag, it hides the wire better. We'll show you a little bit more about that when we look at the individual units. All right, so we're going to show these on the bike here. We have this mounted. Again, I was talking about this wraparound design that better hides the wires that are always coming out from the inside. We've got our quick disconnect located right up here. So if we were going to remove the bags, take the bags off. And then we have access to our quick disconnect right here, which will allow the entire bag to come off without having to get it under the seat. So we'll put these back on here, show you some of the functions of it. So when we mount these, we always want to use the lid as a guide. So when we install these, we clean the surface, close the lid fully, and use the edge of the lip here as a guide to mount the light. So you always want them right up against this lip. As you can see, they're running lights when the bike is turned on. They're brake lights. And they're also sequential turn signals. So all three functions. And they're also compatible with the four-ways. So we have our four-ways on, they will work, whether the bike's on or off. So there you have it, our new sequential LED saddlebag lights.